Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I use chicken broth all the time, and this is one of my favorites. This is Swanson chicken broth, and this is the 14.5 ounce can, and these are super handy to keep in your pantry. They are awesome in so many recipes. Of course, you can use them as a base for a soup. It is perfect for a really quick ramen to have for lunch. They are awesome as the liquid portion of a risotto. You can use them in your Instant Pot or crock pot as the liquid portion. There's just so many things you can do with it. So I absolutely love the flavor. It has a nice richness to it, and it is also gluten-free, preservative-free, and all natural. There's nothing artificial. So making your own broth at home is pretty time consuming. So it is really nice to be able to easily reach for this already prepared and ready to put into your favorite recipes. So I think this is a delicious quality chicken broth to keep on hand, and that is my point of view.